Well, it's been a roller coaster ride for global equity markets this week when biopharma stock has seen choppy trading in the past session, not to mention past week and month. Mannkind is down over 50% in the past 30 days. Now, what's behind the recent whipsaw action?
Mannkind shares are back up on Friday, but for the week, it's in the red. The big news for the biopharma this week, Mannkind signed a collaboration and license agreement with Receptor Life Sciences. The deal includes upwards of $102.3 million in milestone payments and royalties on future sales. That is, if all goes well. Now, this may seem like good news, especially with the way healthcare has been performing, but the deal does not include any cash up front, and Receptor Life Sciences is a newly formed entity. The terms of the Mannkind and Receptor Life Sciences deal means that rights to pipeline drugs were handed over, and Mannkind will handle formulation studies with both firms collaborating on clinical development. Receptor will be picking up the tab. Now, Big Pharma Sanofi pulled out of its marketing agreement with Mannkind, which slams shares. If we look at the one-month chart, you can see the sharp dip on January 5th. Prices of the company fell as the licensing deal of the company and Sanofi Aventis was terminated. With the squash deal, Afrezza, Mannkind's inhaled insulin product, would not be developed and sold in partnership for the U.S. market. The deal could have totaled a pretty big sum, $775 million.
Mannkind's proprietary technology has been referred to in potential partnership deals. What makes its Technosphere technology distinct?
Sales of Afrezza have disappointed to the downside, but Mannkind and Receptor Life Sciences plan to create product candidates with the Technosphere platform. They say the compound will treat inflammatory disorders and neurologic diseases. Right now, Afrezza is Mannkind's sole product that has been approved by the FDA. Mannkind will be taking full control of the product from Sanofi this year. Now, the Afrezza inhaler works with cartridges of inhalation insulin powder. As for the Technosphere technology, it is a proprietary method of delivering dry powder. There are potential partnership deals that could transpire with this technology. Now, the method mimics intraarterial administration of drugs. Inhaled insulin products have been explored by other companies. Pfizer removed Exubera back in 2007, and this was due to weak sales as well as concerns about safety. Now, Sanofi was also involved with rolling out the insulin product. Now, the big question is whether Mannkind will be able to expand adoption and sales. After transition talks, termination is expected no later than July 4th of this year. Some reasons cited for weak sales of Mannkind's product include lack of effort to seek insurance reimbursements for Afrezza and lack of specialized equipment in doctors' offices for the drug's mandatory lung function testing.
Sticking to biopharma names, there are rumors that Xenoport may be considering a sale to buyers. How likely is it that a deal would go through?
There are rumors that Xenoport is in the early stages of exploring a sale. Shares of the company popped by 4% on Friday on takeover whispers. Now, according to sources, the Santa Clara-based company is working with an investment bank to pitch potential bidders. Xenoport is working on treatments of neurological disorders. It announced job cuts after several R&D challenges and after its CEO retired. It currently has just one approved drug, Horizon, for restless leg syndrome. Last year, Xenoport's oral psoriasis candidate ended late-stage trials after mixed phase 2 results.